Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's the lovely Karina with Diego here in Bogota, Colombia, waiting for our K1 visa to get adjudicated at the Service Center in California. Now, this video is about, do I need an attorney or outside help to process a K1 visa? Now, filling out a K1 visa, ladies and gentlemen, is a lot of work, okay? But it does not need an attorney or outside help. You are smart, you are very intelligent, and you know how to fill out paperwork. You know how to put together a K1 package. You've been studying YouTube channels. You know how to do it, okay? Now, when would you need an attorney? Here's a good point. You would need an attorney if you do not think you are qualified to qualify for your visa. If you don't think you're eligible, okay, for a green card for your fiancé, then that's when you hire an attorney. You hire an attorney if you are not confident in your ability to put together a K1 package, okay? If you just don't have the time, or if you're lazy, then hire someone to do your K1 visa package, okay? But in my opinion, don't be lazy. You're smart and you're intelligent. Do it yourself. Do you really want to give all your Privacy Act information over to somebody you don't know online in an internet room that processes K1 visas for a fee? Do you want to give up that information? I don't think so, okay? You know, if you're lazy, if you don't feel like doing the work, then hire somebody to do the work for you, okay? The cases where you will need an immigration attorney would be like, for example, if you're seeking asylum, okay? If you need a waiver, if you're seeking asylum or if you need a waiver, then you're gonna need an attorney, okay? Will an attorney speed up the process? No. An attorney will not speed up the USCIS K1 visa processing time. Will companies that you hire, instead, let's suppose you don't go with an attorney, you go with a company, an outside company. Will they speed up your visa processing time? No, no. Visa paperwork will not speed up the process. There is no such thing as a rapid visa. Only slow visas. Slow visas. Repeat after me. Slow visas. So save your money. If you know how to fill out paperwork, if you're not lazy, if you know how to put together a visa package, put it together yourself, okay? Follow our videos if you want to, and I'll get you through this process for free, okay? I'm in the same boat as you. Karina and I, we're in the same boat as you, okay? If you don't think you're going to qualify for the green card or for the K1 visa, hire an attorney, okay? You know, you can hope that your attorney will convince USCIS to give you a pass and qualify you for the green card or for the visa, okay? But if you're not qualified, you're going to pay the attorney and USCIS is going to say, you're not qualified. So you lost money on your visa and you lost money on your attorney. Now, if you, the sponsor, have ever received government assistance in the past, you know, while living in the United States, this could make your K1 visa a problem. And then you may need to hire an attorney. If you have depended upon the government for assistance in the past, you, the sponsor, you're going to have problems getting your visa approved. Now, if you, the sponsor, have been convicted of a criminal offense, especially involving children at the felony level, you will need an attorney if you want to process a K1 visa, okay, to help your case. Will your visa get approved if you hire an attorney, if you have been convicted of serious felony convictions involving children or domestic violence? And probably not. Probably not. If it makes it to the U.S. Embassy adjudication, your fiancé will be taken into a room and told very politely that she doesn't qualify for the visa, have a nice day. After you spent all this money and spent all this time. Trust me on this, it will happen, okay? You need an attorney if you've sponsored a foreign national in the past that has been deported, then hire an attorney. If you have got, if you've married multiple people and they're running around the United States with green cards and you've got 4 or 5 divorce notifications in your visa package, you're going to need an attorney to get you through the process. If you need emergency help with an immigration matter, hire an attorney. If you have an emergent matter that you cannot solve, hire an attorney. If you are lazy and you don't want to put your own sweat equity into your fiance's visa, hire an attorney or an outside company. Ladies and gentlemen, USCIS is not intimidated by attorneys filing your K-1 visa. They are more concerned about your relationship being real and that you, the sponsor, are not a criminal with a past dependency on the government for financial assistance. Okay? If you hire an attorney to process your visa, USCIS will think there's problems somewhere and they're going to scrutinize you even harder. Okay? Remember this, ladies and gentlemen, a K-1 visa is not difficult, but it's a lot of work and a lot of sweat equity that you have to put in to helping your fiance come to the United States. Okay? Take the time, you, the sponsor, take the time to learn the process, study the process, follow our videos, okay? And you will be successful, okay? Pay full attention to detail to your visa package, okay? If you paid some company to process your visa package, your visa is not going to process any quicker. All they're going to do is fill out the paperwork for you, and you know how to do that. If you have past legal issues, if you have problems in the past where you think you're not going to qualify for a green card or a K-1 visa, then hire an attorney. But don't hire an attorney just because you're lazy and you don't want to do the sweat equity and do the work. Get off your backsides, work the process, learn the process, and do it yourself, ladies and gentlemen. USCIS will respect you a whole lot more if you do the visa package yourself than if you pass it off to somebody to do it for you because you're too lazy to do it yourself. Okay? We appreciate you watching the videos. We got friends all over the world. If you have questions, put them down in the remarks block and I will help you. I'll respond to every single question, no matter what it is. And if I don't know the answer, I will tell you I don't know the answer, and I will find the answer for you. Hang in there, ladies and gentlemen. We're with you, and we will see you in
Colombia.
Colombia.